Very good morning, kids. Welcome to online education. Myself, Mrs. Sanghamitra Sanjay Pawar from Sivri Cross Road MPS, and I would like to say thank you. Administrative Officer Mrs. Veena Sunavne, Nodal Beat Officer Mr. Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal HM Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Madam, Assistant Nodal HM Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Anand Madam, and CNO Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungule Sir. Okay, so our today's subject is English. Yes, topic is grammar and subtopic is word puzzles and riddles. Okay,
Yes.
now move to today's thought. So, anyone can read this thought?
Always end of the day with a positive thought, no matter how hard things were. Tomorrow's a fresh
Chapter how
opportunity to
think
make it better.
tomorrow's a fresh opportunity.
Always end the day with positive thought. No matter how hard things get, tomorrow's a fresh opportunity
Okay,
to make
okay, kids, good. So, always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things were, tomorrow's a fresh opportunity to make it better. Okay, this is our today's thought. So, what is it means? It means it is common to have good and bad time in our life. Okay, and under all situations, you should always end the day with positive thoughts and tomorrow make a new start for betterment. This is the meaning of this thought. Okay, now today we are going to learn about word puzzles and riddles. Okay, do you like to solve puzzles and riddles?
Yes,
Yes, very good.
Yes,
So where do you see it? Where do you see it? We see these puzzles and riddles in the newspapers and magazines. Okay, if you read the newspaper, if you read the magazines, then you can easily find that puzzles, word puzzles, crosswords, and riddles in the newspaper and magazines. Okay, so today we are going to learn about word puzzles and riddles. Yes, so what is mean by word puzzles and riddles? So just I'm going to explain. Yes, so word puzzles are games. This is the word puzzle. Can you see this?
yes,
Yes, this is the word puzzles. The word puzzles are games that can help you to enrich your vocabulary. Yes, and today children spend hours in front of the TV. Yes, on their phone or playing computer games. Okay, so puzzles and riddles help you in learning. Puzzles and riddles help you in learning. It help you to practice the spelling also. Okay, these are the words that is heat, kitchen, vegetables, knife, okay, refrigerator. So these are the words, yes, that improve your vocabulary. Yes, and it helps you to practice the spelling also. With the help of this letter, with the help of these words, you practice the spelling also, and it helps to improve your working memory. Yes, it helps to improve your working memory also. Yes, now another benefit is it improve your processing speed also. Yes, word puzzle and riddles improve your processing speed also. Yes, now puzzles and riddles help you to think about how each of the words interact with one another on the grid. So this is called the grid. This square, yes, and this square, it is also called the grid. Okay, so it helps about how each of the word interact. Okay, now see the interact. between two words. The first word is kitchen, kitchen. Okay. Now this T is interact with this heat word, he.
H-A-T.
Yes. So this is called the interact between two words. So it is help each of the words interact with one another on the grid. Yes, so these are the benefits of word puzzles and riddles. It develop your skills also. Yes, and important thing that is it releases your stress also. That is mental stress. Yes, puzzles and riddles also improve the mental health also. Mental stress it releases. Okay, so these are so many benefits of the word puzzles and riddles. Yes, so first, this is the first word puzzle. Can anybody read this first word? This is the first word.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Second word, do
Heat.
heat. Excellent. This word,
Vegetable.
vegetable. This word is
Refrigerator.
refrigerator, and this word is
Knife.
knife. This word
Knife.
is
Knife.
oven. Oven. Okay, so each word are related to each other, means it interact between two words. So this is called the word puzzle. Okay, now move to the next puzzle. This is the next puzzle. First word is
Sub.
sub. Second word is
Circle.
circle. Excellent. Third word is
Pen.
triangle.
Rectangle.
This word is
Rectangle.
bar graph. This is bar graph. Huh? Yes.
Okay.
Now this word is
Rectangle.
rectangles. Excellent. Excellent. Very nice. This word is 10, and this word is
6.
6, and last word is this word is
100.
100. Excellent. So this is the word puzzle. Okay. Now there are some fruits. Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like
Yes, you
fruit.
like. Yes, I also like fruits. Okay, because it makes us healthy. Yes. So these are some fruits. Here are grapes. Here is watermelon. Here is an apple.
Apple.
Here is an
Orange.
an orange, and this is
Lemon.
lemon. Excellent. Very nice. So this is the grid. What is this? This is the grid,
Green.
and there are some letters. Okay, so you have to
Missing
fill.
words.
Yes, missing word. Excellent. So this is very simple word puzzle. Okay.
Yes.
So the first word you have to find
Orange.
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 That is
Orange.
orange. So this is an orange. Okay. Now what is the second word?
Grape.
Watermelon.
Excellent. Watermelon. Watermelon.
N.
Now this one is start with G letter. Grapes. Excellent.
GRAPS.
PS. Okay. And this word is A say start.
Apple.
Apple.
APPLE. Apple.
Okay. Now which is remaining fruit?
Lemon.
Lemon. So
LEMON.
excellent. Very nice. Very nice. Very talented बच्चे हैं. Very good. Now move to the answer. So this is the correct answer that we feel.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that we fill in that grid. This is the correct answer. So first that is orange.
Orange.
Second is
Watermelon.
very good. Third is, yes.
Apple.
Well, and
Lemon.
this one is lemon. Okay, very nice.
Lemon.
Okay, very nice. Now, when we are going to learn about puzzles, word puzzles, and riddles, you have to maintain some rules. You have to follow some rules. So, what are the rules? So, first rule is study the word puzzle carefully. Okay, you have to study the word puzzle carefully. Okay. After that, the second rule is understand what is exactly asked in the question. Okay. So, here you have to understand what is exactly asked in the question. Okay, and the third rule is the answer should be meaningful word. The answer should be meaningful
Word.
word. Okay, so these are some rules, that is study the word puzzle carefully. After that, understand what is exactly asked. What is exactly asked. okay, in that question. And third rule is the answer should be meaningful word. Okay, these are the rules. Now move to the next word puzzle. So read the question. This one, find
Find two colors from the grid. Choose the
grid
correct alternative.
alternative. Okay, this word is grid. This word is grid. Okay, so find two colors from the grid. Choose the correct alternative. So there are four alternative. First one is blue red. Second one is white purple. Third one is orange.
Orange,
Oh,
pink,
yes, and last one
black,
is
yellow.
yes. So there are some
Orange, pink.
yes, excellent Hassan. There are some letters. There are some capital letters. Okay, so you have to find the correct alternative. So what is the correct alternative?
ORANGE,
Oh,
orange. Third
Yes.
number.
O
Three
R A
number.
N G E. This is the color because what they ask, you have to find out, choose the correct alternative from, you have to find the two colors. Okay. So orange is the first color and which is second color? Pink.
Pink.
Pink. Excellent. So which is the
PINK,
correct
pink.
alternative? First, second, third, or fourth?
third. Third.
Yes.
Third.
Okay. Now, can you see this? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Can you see this? First one is orange and second one is pink color.
Pink.
Okay. Correct. Excellent. Huh? Now, find these two vegetables from the grid. Okay, and choose from the alternative. So find out the two vegetables from this grid.
Potato.
Potato.
Excellent, dear. Very nice. Potato and second onion. Very good. So where is potato? This is start from
Miss
this.
fourth line.
Yes.
Fourth line first.
Read the spelling of potato.
Potato.
Very good. This is potato. And where is the spelling of onion?
Second line.
ONION.
Okay, this P is not included in that spelling. Huh?
Yes.
Only you have to take this spelling ONION, that is onion. So which is the correct alternative? First, second,
Second one is correct
yes,
alternative.
potato and onion. So these word puzzles and riddles help you in your scholarship exam. Okay,
Yes.
move to the yes, very nice. Move to the next. So this is the answer. This is your potato. Correct word.
Yes.
Yes, and this is your onion. Okay. Yes, very nice.
TOTATO.
Now read this puzzle. Read this word
Choose
puzzle.
the correct alternative to
Complete the puzzle. Okay. Oh.
Choose the correct alternative to complete the puzzle.
Puzzle. That is puzzle. Okay.
Puzzle.
So here are some letters. Single letters are there. Okay. So you have to choose the correct letter. Only one letter is there. And when we fill the one letter in this grid. Okay.
Okay,
That word should be meaningful. Find out.
MANGO.
Excellent. Mango. Excellent. Now when we put O here, which word is making?
Arrow.
Arrow and T-O.
Arrow.
T-O. Two. Excellent. When we put O here, which word is there?
WRING.
No. O. W-R.
Yes, Miss. WRONG wrong.
Okay. So W-R-O-N-G. What is the meaningful word? That is wrong. Okay. So your correct. Yes. Your correct. Yes. Correct alternative is O. Yes. So see this answer. Is it correct?
Yes, Miss.
M-A-N-G-O. Yes. Mango. Next word is this word is wrong. This word is often. Very good. And this word is T-O. Two. It's two. Very good. Excellent. Nice. Now move to the next. Okay. This one is you have to fill three letters.
Choose
Okay.
the correct alternative
from the following to complete the puzzle.
Puzzle. It is puzzle. Okay. Now find
Yes.
out Which are the three letters? Find out,
Okay.
think about it.
Ma'am, option number 2.
Yes, correct. Why it is correct? Because when we use this HET is the correct answer. Nice, beta. But why it is correct answer?
It is
When,
FORT fort.
एक minute. Wait for 2 minutes. When we put H in this grid, so the word
Ah,
is
S.
THANK. That is thank. Okay. So
Yes.
after that, FOR
S E
EST. Okay.
Forest.
And yes, forest. So second alternative is correct answer. Okay. So let's check the answer. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. So first letter is H.
Tank.
Thank. Second word is
Honest.
it is not honest. Don't read like that. It is honest. How you pronounce the word? Honest.
Honest.
Honest. H is
Honest.
silent. Okay. And
Okay.
third word is
Forest.
forest. Excellent. So this is your correct answer. That is HENT. Okay. So HET is the correct answer. It is the correct alternative. Yes. Now move to the next puzzle. Read the question.
Choose the correct alternative from the following to complete puzzle.
Excellent. Very good. Now what is the correct answer? Find out. Ah,
Miss S.
yes. Which is that letter?
Miss SHP. Shape.
Okay, so O is correct, H is correct, R is correct, H. Excellent. H. So fill H in this grid. S
H
H
S
A
H A P E shape.
shape. Very good. Now
T that.
SHAPE shape. 1 minute. Wait for 2 minutes. Huh? Yes. SHA that. Very good.
HONE 4.
Very good.
Then.
Then, very good. So, first meaningful word is THAT that. Second meaningful word is SHAPE shape. Third is THEN then. Okay, after that PHONE phone and last three. Very good. So, we feel H here, H, and H. So, with the help of H, this grid is completed. This word puzzle is completed, and these all are the meaningful words. Yes, these all are the meaningful words. Okay. Yes. Now move to the next puzzle. Read this.
Choose the correct alternative and complete the puzzles.
Okay. Now find out which is the correct alternative. Either it is N, R, whatever it is, find out.
FORT.
Yes, correct. Next word. Yes. HEARE, care. Yes. Excellent. Nice. Okay. Okay, now, yes, R is the correct answer. Okay, so check the answer. SPORT, that is sport. Yes, now CARE, that is care. HE, it is not art. No. Don't read that word art. HEART. This is complete word and the word is heart. Okay. Now this word is CARE. Care. Okay. Now this word is SPORT. That is sport. And this is care and this is cart. Okay. So with the help of this 3R. Okay. With the help of this 3R, these all words are became meaningful. Okay, so R is the correct alternative. Yes. Now, yes, read this second puzzle.
Choose the correct alternative to complete the puzzle.
Yes. Now, there are two letters you have to fill in this.
FIDA.
Either it is NS, it is SN, it is PU. So you have to fill how many letters there? 2 letters.
Miss, can I say?
Yes, beta, please.
Shamika.
Yes, yes. Yes,
RESPOND. Third one.
yes. Yes, yes. So
Respond.
third one is the correct answer. So correct alternative is S and N. Okay, why it is S and N? Because
Respond.
using yes, yes, because
Meaningful.
using S and N, this grid, this puzzle makes the words meaningful. Okay.
Yes.
So
The
here,
second is
yes, respond. Here,
TONGUE, tongue.
yes, that is tongue. Okay, so check the answer. Is it correct?
Yes.
What is
Yes.
fish? FISH? RESPOND, respond, and this is tongue.
Tongue.
So your correct alternative is S and N, not NS. Okay, NS is the wrong answer. But correct answer is S and N. Yes, very good.
Fish respond.
Yes,
and
yes,
tongue.
fish,
Correct
respond, and tongue.
alternative and complete the puzzles.
Puzzle.
Choose the correct and
Hmm?
choose
So-
the correct alternative and complete the puzzle.
The puzzle. So find out only one letter you have to fill there, and then the word should be
O.
meaningful. No wrong.
CO.
ARRY, Mary.
Y. Yes, correct. Y is the correct answer.
Yes,
Okay.
cycle.
So first, MYSTERY. We feel Y here, so it is meaningful word, that is mystery. Yes, CYCLE, cycle,
Cycle.
and this word is YARN, that is yarn. Okay. And this word
MARY.
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 Mary. Excellent.
Mary.
Okay, now read the word. First word is
MARRY,
mystery.
Mystery. Cycle.
This word cycle, Mary, yarn. Yarn. Excellent, excellent. Very nice. Now, next puzzle.
Choose the
correct
correct
alternative from the following to complete the puzzles.
complete the puzzle.
Okay, so how many letters you have to fill there? 2. Okay,
Two.
2. So find out.
Option number one.
M
Option number 1
AU.
is wrong, beta. Find out. Yes.
MO.
No.
MO.
MO. Yes, yes. MO.
MOANT.
No. A is wrong answer. Wrong alternative. Find out.
MO.
Hmm?
MOONTO.
DISTANCE, distance.
Distance.
COUNT.
Excellent, beta. Yes. What is your name? What is your name?
Option
Yes.
number 4.
Yes, option number 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so we fill here first MOU. So U is the first letter. Okay, so don't choose this answer, this alternative, because it is wrong. When we fill this grid, at that time we use first U letter, because MOUNTAIN. So U and A, this is the correct sequence. Okay, so your correct alternative is U and A. Why U and A? Yes, mountain. Now read the word. First word is
Mountain.
yes,
Distant. Count.
distance and count. So which letter is the first that we use?
U.
U. And second is A. So with the help of U and A, this grid is become meaningful. Okay? Yes. Now this is the riddle. Can anyone read this?
Read the following riddle and choose the correct option to solve it. I am a circle. I am also a fruit. What I am?
Yes, find out. Correct. Yes, Hasan. Excellent.
Lavender.
Excellent, dear. Excellent.
Lavender.
Okay. Oh, no. Lavender is the wrong answer. Okay. So listen, kid. There
Orange.
are some rules. There are some rules when we are going to solve the puzzle and riddle. So I have explained the first rule, that is study the word puzzle carefully. You have to read that word puzzle. You have to read that riddle carefully. This is the first rule. Okay. Second rule is understand what is exactly asked. So what they asked here, I am a color. Yes, I am a color. I am also a fruit. It is also color and it is also a fruit. What am I? So you have to understand the exactly what they asked in the question. This is the second rule. Yes, and the third rule is the answer should be meaningful word. Okay, so red is color, but it is not a fruit. Red is color, but it is not a fruit. Okay, banana is fruit, but banana is not a color. Yes, and last option is correct. That is orange. Orange it is also color and orange it is also fruit. Okay, so which alternative is correct alternative? Let me know.
Fourth.
Fourth. What is that fourth option?
Orange is correct.
Orange
Orange
is
is color also and fruit also.
yes. So do you like orange?
Orange is
Yes, I like
correct.
Yes. Do you like orange? Yes. So this is the image. This is the picture of orange. It is also a fruit. Yes, it is also a fruit and it is also a
So a
color.
color.
Yes. So these are called the riddles. Okay. So we find these riddles and puzzle in the magazines, in the newspaper. Okay. So when we watch too much TV programs, cartoons, and all these,
Yes.
okay, instead of that you must read the puzzles, that is word puzzles and riddles. Okay,
Yes, miss.
it helps you to improve your vocabulary. Yes, you relieve from your mental stress. Okay, so these are the benefits of the word puzzle and riddle. Okay, now it's a time to solve the riddles. You have to think about it. You have to first read that riddle carefully. Huh? Listen all the instructions carefully. What I'm going to explaining. Yes. So
Yes.
now it's a time to solve the riddles. Okay. So it is a kind of exercise for your brain too to solve the riddles. It is a kind of exercise to whom? To your brain. Okay, and riddles can help sharpen the mind and open up new thought processes. Okay, so
Okay,
these are
miss.
the, yes, these are the importance of riddles. So first riddle is, I am a color, I am also
I
a
am
fruit.
also
Yes.
what
Okay,
I am
what
answer.
I am, so your
I
answer
am
is
I
orange.
am also orange.
Yes, so this is the first riddle. Now move to the next one. Yes, read
What
this.
has hands but cannot clap?
What
Now,
has hands but cannot clap?
yes, you can read this. Yes, now think about it.
It's not
You
hands.
have to think about it.
Not
You think about it. What has hands? What has hands but cannot clap? Read the riddle carefully.
hands. Clock. It's clock.
Clock. Yes, excellent, beta. Clock. What has hands but cannot clap? Okay, so this is three hands. Okay, this is three hands of this clock, but it cannot clap. Okay, it cannot clap. So correct answer is clock. Okay, correct answer is clock. Do you like this riddle?
Yes.
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 Okay, now move to the next one. Move to the next one. Read this. Read
What
this.
has
What
a
has
head
hands
and
and
a
can
tail but has no body?
Think about it.
coin?
What? Yes, excellent. What has a head? What has a head and a tail? Okay, but has no
Body.
body. Okay, so
Coin.
yes, excellent. So these are coin. This is the coin of 10 rupees. Okay, both sides of this. This is the side heads. This is tails. Head is there, tail is there, but not body. So your answer is
Coin.
Coin.
coin. Okay, what was the first answer?
Orange.
First answer is coin.
Clock. Clock. And what is the second answer?
Coin. Coin.
Coins. Okay, you have to keep in your mind. That is the first answer is clock, and the second answer is coin. Okay. Okay. Now
Yes.
move to the next riddle.
What
Read this.
is black when
When
it is clean
Hmm.
and
And
white when it is
dirty.
dirty?
Yes. Find out.
Is black when
What is black when it is clean? Yes. And white when it is dirty. Think about it. Very easy. Find out. Think about it. Take your own time.
Miss bathroom.
No. Who is that bathroom?
White bathroom.
No, no. Black and white. No, it is not related to bathroom and all things. Think about it. Take your own time. Yes, 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 yes. Who will say that? What is that?
blackboard and white?
Excellent, excellent. Blackboard. Yes. Now, that's why I'm saying you read the word puzzle, read the riddle carefully. Then you can easily find the answer. Okay. So, the question is the riddle is what is black? Yes, what is black when it is clean? Yes, and white when it is dirty. So your answer is blackboard. Yes. Now
And white chalk.
now it is clean. And when we wrote on sums, question answer, drawing, it becomes
Dirty.
dirty. Your answer first image is clean because there is no writing, images, drawings, and all things are there. But here are images, that is, drawing is there, sums are there, all things are there. So it becomes a dirty. So your answer is black board. Yes. Okay. Now next riddle. Read this.
Which month of the year has got 28 days? February.
I know that. I know that.
Yes, Miss February.
February.
Yes, 28 days.
Think about it.
That is February.
Yes, think about it. Again, you have to think about it.
Which
about it.
month of the
The
year
second month.
has got
Yes,
28 days? Second month
second month.
means February. Second month.
Why it is only February? Think about it.
February.
It is kind of exercise for your brain. Riddles are kind of exercise for your brain. So use your brain power. Yes, Hassan.
All the years in the all the
Excellent, dear. Excellent, Hassan. Excellent, excellent. I'm happy with you, Hassan. Excellent. Okay. So that's why I'm telling you, read the riddle carefully. February, 28 days are there, 29 days are there. I'm agree with you. But the question is, the riddle is, which month of the year has got 28 days? All months have 28 days. Followed? See the calendar? See the calendar. In the month
Yes.
of January, 28 days are there.
28,
In the
28.
month of February, 28 days are there. March, 28 days are there, and after that 29, 30, and 31 is there. Okay, 28
Yes,
days in the
28
month of
days,
April. Yes, in the
28
month
days
of May.
in 28 days in the month
Yes.
of June, 28 days in
Yes.
the month of July, 28 days
Hmm.
August, 28 days September, 28 days October, 28 days November, 28 days December.
December. Okay, so your answer is all of the month. Your answer is all of the month. Okay. So when there is a riddle, there is a word problem, you have to read it carefully. Think about it, and what they
Yes.
ask exactly, you have to think about that. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this is the riddle. Now move to the next one. Yes. Read this.
I have 4 legs. I am very smart and
I like to
to
smell things. I cannot wag my tail.
No, I can
I
wag
can
my
wag
tail.
my tail. Okay.
I
So
am
yes. Yes,
Dog.
excellent, excellent. Wag my tail. Excellent, dear. Excellent, Hassan. So I have 4 legs. Dogs have how many legs?
4 legs.
I am very smart. Yes, he is very
Dog.
smart. Yes.
Yes.
He likes to play.
Yes.
Yes.
And
He likes to smell the things.
yes.
Yes. And he wag his tail. So which is that
Yes.
animal?
Dog.
Dog. So your answer is dog.
I am a dog.
Yes, I am a dog. He wag his tail, he spell the things, all are there. So your answer is dog.
Dog.
Excellent, very nice,
Yes.
good. Now next one,
I am a soft and
keep
furry
it.
pet.
Hmm.
I have 4 legs, long tail. I
Hmm.
have sharp teeth and
Yes, yes.
claws. Cow.
Cow.
Yes. I am a cow.
Cow like to chase mice.
No.
Yes, Hassan.
Cat.
Excellent, dear. So when you read the word mice, the mice word is related to
Mouse.
little cat. Okay, so I am
Yes.
soft
Nice
and
mouse.
furry pet. It is soft and furry pet. Okay, cat has also 4 legs and long tail. Yes, she has sharp teeth and claws. Yes, and I like to chase mice. So I am a
Cat.
cat. So your
I am a
answer
cat.
is
I am
cat.
a
Your
cat.
answer is cat. Excellent, excellent, Hassan. Okay, now move to the next riddle. Now it is a time to evaluation. Yes, read this.
I have wings, but I am not a bird.
Yes,
I
yes.
Butterfly.
am, but
Excellent, excellent because caterpillar word is very much important. So you have to
yes,
read this riddle carefully because I have wings. Yes, I have wings, but I am not a bird. Bird that butterfly is not a bird. It is a insect. Okay,
insect.
I am a small and colorful. It is small, but it is colorful. Yes,
I live in
gardens and
fields
fields and
and
forests also.
forest.
Yes, and I used
I
to be
used
a
to be a caterpillar. I am a
caterpillar.
butterfly.
Yes, so your answer is butterfly. Very nice. Now read the second one.
You use me from your
Hmm.
head to your two toes and
Your
the more
toes and
and the more yes tub.
you
You
are you
use
are
me the
still
inner
reach that
throat.
answer.
What
Yes,
I
but
am
tub is not the correct answer. Still think about it.
shower
No,
Bathing
no, no,
tub.
no. Think about it.
clue.
No, this is the clue. This is
Yes,
the clue for
clue.
you. You think about it and then answer me.
Tub.
Tub, bathtub, no.
Bet you use for me
You use me from your head.
shampoo.
No, no, no. You're till reach that answer. Shampoo and other thing.
Comb.
Yes.
Comb.
No, no, no. Comb. No. And more use me. The thinner I grow. The thinner I grow. Think about it.
Thinner.
Mm.
Soap.
Yes, yes, yes.
Soap.
Yes. So excellent, excellent. So you use me from your head to your toes. You use that soap to your head to your toes. Followed? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And use me the thinner I grow. Yes?
Yes, miss.
Yes, excellent. So your answer is soap. Your answer is soap. Excellent. So today we learn about word puzzle. Yes, and
Yes.
riddles. Do you like that all word puzzle?
Yes, I like all
Yes.
word
Do you?
puzzle.
Yes. Very nice. Do you like that riddles also?
Yes.
Yes.
Also
So
riddles like
yes. So word puzzle mean by it is word puzzles and riddles are the games that can help us to
word
enrich your vocabulary. Okay.
word puzzles means
Mhm.
missing word.
Yes. And it is help you to practice the spelling also.
Yes.
Yes, it is helps to improve your working
Working.
memory also. Yes, and it
Yes.
improve your processing speed also. Okay,
Yes, miss.
so these are so many benefits of puzzles and riddles. Okay,
Riddles.
it is help you to think about how each of the words interact with one another on the grid. So there are so many benefits of puzzles and riddles. It is develop your skills also. Yes, it releases your
Yes.
stress also. Yes, now you feel better. Now you feel
Yes.
better? Yes, because we solve all the word puzzle and riddle. Okay, so now you feel better. Okay, so it releases your stress also. Huh? And it improve mental health. So today you remember all these word puzzles and riddles, and you have to explain these puzzles and riddles to your friends also. That today's online class we enjoy a lot. Why? Because of riddles and because of puzzles. So do you like
Puzzles.
it? Do you like it? Yes. Do you like it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very nice. So this is the evaluation. Now it is a
Homework.
time to your homework. So this is your today's homework. You can take the screenshot.
I take.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
I also
So
take it screenshot.
yes, yes. Excellent. Nice. So there are some pictures. Okay. First one is umbrella and umbrella. Tree is there. Heart is there. And flower is there. This is your homework. So don't discuss about this. You have to solve at your own. Yes, you have to solve in your grammar book. Okay. Yes. Now wait for 2 minutes. This is the leaf. Again, this is the fruit. Star is there. Okay. House is
House
there.
is there.
Yes. Okay. So you have to find out the correct word for each picture, and then you have to fill this. You have to fill this answer in this grid. Okay. So
Yes.
this is your today's homework. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I like it.
Yes. Okay. Now today we finish this lecture.
Miss,
Yes. Are you happy?
Yes, I am
Yes,
happy.
yes, I am also happy. Okay, thank you, kids, and thank
Thank
you, the
you. Have a
team,
nice
for
day.
your kind support and cooperation. Okay,
Thank you, miss.
yes,
Have a nice day.
yes,
Thank you,
Bye
Miss.
yes.
bye,
Have a
teacher.
nice
Take
day.
care,
Take
and
care.
Bye,
bye,
Miss.
bye, bye,
Take
bye,
care.
bye.
Bye.
Take care and bye, bye, bye. Okay, thank you, bye.